This is Rainbow Cats. Let's do this.
That one's mine. Sure about that? Whenever someone says that, it does that. That one's mine.
I like that one.
Oh, the
Next. Oh.
Oh, that one's purple.
Dang, that one.
We got Lenny. Oh, it's like
These are all of our unicorns that we named and horses that we named. So yeah.
They're actually llamas.
Llamas, whatever.
Oh.
It should be blue, but
Wow.
Okay, but the inside was red.
that one's a big one.
Make sure to subscribe
To Rainbow Cat, she is a really good person.
Ooh.
What?
Never touch book by cover, okay?
Never judge a firework by
Not bro, still going.
Oh?
Growling at us. It's Satan.
guys. It was green. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Never judge a firework by its appearance.
Oh, wait.
Even more? How do
That's it. I raised you well.
how do fireworks even work? Like, is there like a note in there that says it? And then
Whoa, that one was a long one.
3,
the
2,
way you just
1.
you're like, and then you're like,
It's oh, there it goes.
Oh.
oh, they're good at good view.
Oh no, y'all. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
I was waiting for it.
Bro, the car got lucky.
That was short.
Thank you for making this.
Thank you, Mama. The anger issues.
Me when I got my
When you get in a fight with your parents
Oh,
and you go to your room, you breaking everything.
like
What?
Hmm?
Last one.
Let's see what color this one is. We got red, finally. This one's gonna be the angry one.
like me. Me was so appreciative, but me at work.
not my eyes. Let's drop a sparkler into the drain. Ready?
Let me show him a magic trick first. Or just magic. Oh my god. That wasn't me.
Okay, let's drop it down the drain.
Light mine.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, look at that, y'all.
It's dark. Here, light mine.
And then,
No, don't drop it. Light mine.
Wow.
2, 1, drop.
I'm gonna light yours, okay, Pookie?
Oh wow.